Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Good Morning Mechanic, where we turn wrenches and tackle challenges together. I'm Dan, your guide through the world of DIY automotive repairs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this is the place to rev up your skills and share your knowledge. Hit subscribe, join the Good Morning Mechanic team, and let's get our hands dirty. Good morning, everybody. So we're out here in the garage. It's kind of late, but I wanted to kind of do like an overview of some of the brake caliper compression tools or some of the just brake tools that I use, and kind of show you guys how I use them. Hopefully it helps you decide kind of what brake caliper tool you want to use, because this is really it for me. So first off in the chute is our actual OEM brake. It's a disc brake caliper tool. There's the part number. It's 27113. So I only have a couple videos kind of showing you guys how to use this, but I do have videos out there. So basically, you'll take this piece right here. Right here is an adapter. So what you would do is you would take that piece. You would take the adapter. You would put the piece on, kind of like so. Boop. And then you actually would put this bracket onto here, so that when you tighten it down, you would tighten this, and then as you're tightening or loosening, depending on the brake caliper, it turns these two little nipples, and those nipples will lock into the grooves that are inside the brake caliper. So it's a very specific type of brake caliper that you would use this kit for. Like I said, I got a couple videos where I've used this kit. Actually, none of my cars use this setup anymore, so I haven't used it in a little bit, but it's a good kit. Again, OEM disc brake caliper tool set. So next up in the chute is this bad boy. So I don't know if I can. I don't know who makes it, but this thing right here is solid. If you guys, you can see right here. So this will spin. So this piece right here is super cool, and this is actually my go-to. This is what I use most of the time. As you can see, it'll twist in or twist out, and then it'll actually ratchet. So you'll see me use this in a bunch of videos. I really like this setup. It also has these little adapters and ears, so it'll fit double calipers or single calipers. And this works really well. I'll see if I can put like a, I don't even know where I got this thing. I think it was Amazon. I'm not sure, but it was a long time ago. But that thing is definitely awesome. It's basically my go-to. So the next setup, we have the Caliper Compressor tools right here. So these caliper compressors, they work very similar to kind of like a caulk gun. They have this little piston that moves forward, and these push against the caliper. And every time you squeeze it, it gets longer and longer. So that'll be a single piston, and it goes inside the piston. You push this little lever down, pops right out. Your double caliper is very similar, but a little different. It goes. The only problem I've had with this piece right here, this set, is that this double one, I just can't get far enough sometimes on the double one. And that's when I'll pull out my spinneroo with the double ears on, and it works like a charm. So the last bit of kit is right here, and as you can see, this thing is brand new. I've never actually use this. Here it is. This is for OEM model number 27194. This kit is for your drum brakes. So I don't get a whole lot of drum brakes where I live, and especially with the newer cars. And in fact, I've never had to use this kit. So far, so good. Yeah, it's a good kit. One day I might have to use it. So we'll see. So that's it. That's really the main tools that I use when I'm doing brakes to compress the caliper, and they work great. I want to say congratulations again to the Zook Show, who won the toolbox giveaway for the 500 subscribers. And I tell you what, we are well on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So there's going to be a pretty cool gift toolbox giveaway for the 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys tune in. Have some really sweet episodes coming up. So make sure you're subscribed. Check out the merch store, the Shopify that we have. If you guys want a Good Morning Mechanic t-shirt, make sure that you guys are subscribed. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good morning.